Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video is apart from the general informative videos which I upload usually on my YouTube channel. This video is basically an announcement which I am here to make regarding the commencement of the practice sessions, and this is something which I was getting a lot of questions on. People were asking, students were facing difficulties regarding the application of their knowledge. So once you're done with your knowledge part, once you're done with your coaching, or once you're done with your study text or the technical articles, so what's the next step? The next step is particularly the practice, right? So many students faces this issue. Even as a student, I did face this issue when it's very difficult to apply your knowledge to the kit, because the kit questions are kind of very you can say tricky, and they are different from what we studied in the knowledge area. So they require a wholly new different outlook. So this is the reason we face the difficulties while practicing the questions and while doing the past exams, right? So for that matter of fact, I have started with these practice sessions upon the request of my students. So I will be just enrolling the first 25 students for each of the subjects which you can see on your screen. Fine, that is audit and assurance, that is F8, that is financial reporting, that is F7, SBR and SBL and AAA, right? So these are the 5 subjects about which we will be having practice sessions for, and these practice sessions will include the full kit solving session in the class itself. We will solve the kit in the class. Like if I solve 2 to 3 questions, right, in the one class, which would be approximately for 1 or 1.5 hour on alternate days. So if I solve 2 questions in the class in 1.5 hour, so then I will be giving you the questions for 2 questions which you have to do on your own using the same technique which I used. So this will be based on like what are the exam techniques. Like if you are doing audit risk question, what is the exam technique to write an audit risk question, a good audit risk question. So if there is if we talk about the FR, the financial reporting, then how do we attempt those long questions, right? So all of this will be covered in your practice sessions, and I will be covering the topics for the skills level, that is the computer based exam, how you're going to use your Excel sheets and how you're going to present your answer in a computer based exam. Fine. So all of this is included in this session, in the package of this practice sessions. So I will be just enrolling 25 students per subject, and the classes for AA are starting from 17th of July, that is just coming to 17th July 2020, and for the September session, right, for the September setting, and the for the FR, AAA, SPR and SPL, you can find the dates in the description box, and you can also find that which kit will be solved for each of the subjects in the description box, and the fee regarding each of these subjects. And the fee is really very nominal, because due to these situations we are running 50% off on the practice session. So it's just for the students help. That's why I'm not creating a crowd in each session. We are just sticking to 25 students, and also you will be given 2 complimentary mock assessment in this session, where once we are done with the whole kit, once we have revised our whole syllabus, then in the last days of August, like around 20th and 22nd of August, we are going to have 2 mock exams per subject, okay? And I'm going to personally assess your mocks and give you personalized feedback, like how you can improve your answers, or whether you need some touch up, or there's some weak area in your mock exams. So if there would be a weak area, then the videos regarding that weak area will be provided to you, the recordings, and you can just go through them and then give the second mock. So this is what the agenda of these practice sessions is. So if you are anyway interested in them, so you can just ping me on my contact details which I have provided. And for AA, kindly do it on time, because the classes will start on the 17th of July. The classes would be held live, and the recordings will be available in case you miss the class. So if you miss the class, or you want to attend the class again, so you can request me personally to make the recording available, and the recording will be made available in the next 24 hours. So that's all about your practice sessions. I hope this will help you pass your exams this time. So all the best anyways. I know if you're good enough, you're going to pass it anyway, with or without the practice sessions. All the best.